Hello guys, welcome back to Project Pro Tableau series. In this video, we are going to talk about what is Tableau and how to download Tableau in Windows system. So first is what is Tableau. So Tableau is a business intelligence tool which help us to make different types of data visualization without using any kind of code. So here is the advantage: we can make all types of different chart like donut chart or any kind of chart like bar chart, histogram, line chart without using any kind of code. So there are there are two different types of software that Tableau provide. One is Tableau Public and the second is Tableau Desktop. So difference between these two software is Tableau Public is free. So but there are some limited feature we can only use. But in Tableau Desktop we have some kind of advanced stuff that we will talk about in future. But let's see how to download Tableau Public. So first is go to the Google and type in Tableau Public download. So after that you will get this web page and click on the official website of Tableau. So as you can see here it is the official website, and click on it. After clicking on it, you will get this page, and here you can see here is written download the app. So before clicking here, you have to type in your email address and then click here. So your software will start downloading automatically. And then let's move to how to download Tableau desktop version, which is paid one. So here type in Tableau desktop download and go to the official website of Tableau. So you can see here is written download Tableau desktop, and click here. And then after clicking here, you will get this page, this web page, and here you can see here is written Tableau desktop, start your free 14-day trial, and just below that it is written download free trial. So same as before, you have to write your email address, email id, and then click on it. So after clicking in, your software will start download automatically, and then after installation you can use it for 14 days for free. But after 14 days, you have to buy a key for to the access of Tableau desktop. So if you are student, so you can buy it for free uh, for 1 year access. So for that, you have to go to the official website of Tableau. Just first type in Tableau student benefits, and then you have to click the official website of the Tableau. So as you can see here is written Tableau for students. So click here. After clicking here, you will get this page, this web page, and here you can see here is written get Tableau for free. So click here and you will get this pop up. So here is written you are almost there. So you have to type in detail. So you have to type the country, region, all the personal information, and your college that you are in, and your reason why are you using the Tableau. So here's the two reason: learning on your own and as a part of course. So after clicking here, you have to just verify this, and you will get key on your registered email. So this was it, and thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.